Even though they got big weapons, I'd rather go right.
Oh, those guys are close. They're at Red Barn. Knocked one.
I don't see any, Boston. We're at Red Barn.
Hit him again.
Yeah, I'm not seeing
There's a
it.
golden
Small
rampart
shed,
for
small
attachments.
shed.
Circle collapse.
Where at, Boston?
Get to safety. Supply drop inbound.
Small shed to the right of Red Barn, the
Oh, he's
middle
by
one.
the silo. He went behind the silo. Is there armor in there, Xanther?
No, none.
Fuck. That's Milo and them to our southwest.
Someone's shooting at him in Long Barn.
Land is at Save Us. Nice, nice. That was unknown again.
He's not dead though. There's another guy in there with
Yeah,
him.
there's one right to his right.
Where?
They ran. He's going to Red Barn. And there's people that Save Us. People that Save Us.
A drop behind us. Small blue. In the road.
Oh, I missed him. Fuck.
Where is he?
Whereabouts?
Red Barn.
He went in the Red Barn, yeah. I mean, he's gonna have to come
Man,
out in a
that
second.
looks-
It's not gonna be in a circle.
He's running out the back of Red Barn.
Oh, he just grappled into the front right shed.
The bluish one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, one just ran out of the small shed.
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
he's
From
top
where?
floor red.
From where?
Top floor red. One just pushed out to the shed also. There's multiples. Vehicle close.
He just grappled in the shed.
Net call. Major instability detected. Safe zone evac
Where do
orders
we
are
go?
in
We're in a
effect.
bad spot.
What shed did he go into?
He went into
Heli barn.
yeah, the heli barn.
I got him.
Oh, never mind.
Nice
Oh,
shot.
nice shot, man.